As the years go by, our bodies go through natural changes, some of which can be challenging. By the time we reach 60, 70, or older, it's common to experience a decrease in muscle strength, an increase in joint and leg pain, and easier fatigue. These symptoms can significantly affect our quality of life, making simple daily activities, such as walking, climbing stairs, or even maintaining an exercise routine, more difficult. But the good news is that, with the right choices, we can minimize these effects of aging. Diet plays a crucial role in this process. Natural and nutritious foods can help strengthen muscles, alleviate leg pain, and provide an overall sense of well-being, without the need for expensive treatments or medications. In this video, we will explore 6 powerful foods that can make all the difference for your muscle health and leg pain. Let's discover how these foods can help rebuild muscles and relieve pain, promoting a healthier and more active aging process. Get ready to transform your diet and improve your quality of life. Let's get started. At 60 and beyond, many of us face challenges like muscle loss, leg pain, and general fatigue. Thankfully, diet can be a great ally in combating these issues. Today, we'll talk about 6 incredible foods that can help rebuild your muscles, alleviate leg pain, and promote a more active, pain-free life. The best part: these are natural, accessible foods packed with health benefits. Let's discover what they are. First food, sweet potato. We'll start with a basic yet powerful food, sweet potato. This root vegetable, loved by many for its sweet taste and versatility in the kitchen, is one of the best foods for providing steady energy to the body without causing blood sugar spikes. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, which are essential for replenishing muscle energy stores after physical activity and preventing muscle fatigue. But the benefits don't stop there. Sweet potatoes are also rich in potassium, an essential mineral for proper muscle function that helps prevent leg cramps, which are common among older adults. In addition, sweet potatoes contain vitamin A, which has powerful antioxidant properties that aid in cell regeneration and the maintenance of healthy skin and muscles. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet, whether roasted, boiled, or mashed, can make a significant difference in strengthening muscles and alleviating leg pain. Second food, quinoa. Next on our list is quinoa. Often regarded as a superfood, quinoa is a grain rich in complete proteins, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. Protein is crucial for repairing and rebuilding muscles, something particularly important as we age and our bodies need more support to maintain muscle mass. Additionally, quinoa is an excellent source of magnesium, a mineral that relaxes muscles and helps prevent cramps and leg pain. It is also rich in fiber, which aids digestion and nutrient absorption. For those looking to maintain strong, flexible muscles, quinoa is an excellent addition to the diet, and it can be prepared in various ways, such as in salads, soups, or as a rice substitute. Third food, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of high-quality protein, making it a perfect food for those looking to preserve and rebuild muscle mass. As we age, our bodies tend to lose muscle mass, so protein intake becomes even more important. Greek yogurt not only helps with muscle repair, but is also a significant source of calcium, which is essential for bone and muscle health. Moreover, Greek yogurt contains probiotics, which help balance the gut flora, promoting better digestion and absorption of the nutrients needed for muscle recovery. Adding Greek yogurt to your diet can improve not only muscle and leg health but also digestive health, providing overall well-being. Fourth food, chia seeds. Now we come to chia seeds, which are a true superfood. These tiny seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential fats with powerful anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce muscle and joint inflammation. Omega-3s also have a calming effect, preventing leg pain and cramps that often follow physical activity. Chia seeds are also a good source of plant-based protein, essential for muscle rebuilding, and contain fiber, which improves digestion and blood sugar control. They can be easily incorporated into your daily routine, whether mixed into smoothies, salads, or even used in desserts like chia puddings. Fifth food, butternut squash. Butternut squash is a delicious and nutritious food that can be a powerful ally in muscle recovery and leg pain relief. Rich in vitamin C, it helps combat oxidative stress, speeds up cell regeneration, and strengthens the immune system. Butternut squash also contains potassium, an important mineral for muscle relaxation, reducing the risk of leg cramps. In addition, it is an excellent source of beta-carotene, an antioxidant that combats inflammation and promotes vascular health, improving blood circulation. Including butternut squash in your diet can be a tasty and effective way to care for your muscles and relieve leg pain. Sixth food, mushrooms. Last but not least, we have mushrooms, such as shiitake, maitake, and button mushrooms. These fungi are rich in vitamin D, which aids in calcium absorption and, consequently, bone and muscle health. Vitamin D is essential for maintaining strong bones and preventing muscle weakness. Mushrooms also contain selenium, a powerful antioxidant that combats inflammation, and polysaccharides, which help strengthen the immune system. By incorporating mushrooms into your diet, you'll be helping your body fight leg pain, improving circulation, and speeding up muscle recovery. Now that you know the 6 incredible foods for rebuilding muscles and relieving leg pain, it's time to start incorporating them into your diet. Remember, diet is a powerful natural tool for promoting a healthier and more active life, especially as we age. If you're looking to improve your muscle health and reduce leg pain, adding foods like sweet potato, quinoa, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, butternut squash, and mushrooms to your routine can be an excellent first step. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family who could also benefit from these tips. And of course, if you enjoyed the content, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to maintain vibrant, natural health throughout the years. See you in the next video.